Hi, my name is Erin Zellers. I'm a recent graduate of the Code Louisville front-end web development track. This track included the Treehouse front-end web development curriculum. Over the course of 12 weeks, we were encouraged to create a personal project based on something we were interested in. So my project was a portfolio site that showcases my wife's paintings. So let's take a look. Alright, so I've gone ahead and opened my project with Google Chrome, and this is my wife's portfolio site that I built. So on this home page here, I have a responsive image slider showcasing some examples of her work. I installed this with a jQuery plugin called Slick Slider. You can see at the bottom here I have links to her Facebook and Instagram page, and the page itself is fully responsive. So next page is the portfolio page. This highlights the selected works that she wants to really showcase. To add a little bit of interactivity, I used another jQuery plugin that creates a modal window to really highlight any painting. And then when you click on it, it creates this window, and then when you want to exit, you can just click anywhere on the page and it will close. And again, this is also fully responsive. So then finally, we have the contact page with this goofy photo of my beautiful wife. I have a little bit of placeholder text down here underneath, and below that I have a contact form that I built in Bootstrap, and it uses a PHP script to deliver form submissions to my wife's email, and a jQuery form validation script as well. So moving on to the code here. This was all written in Sublime Text. The first file is my index.html. It contains your average HTML structure, but is also supplemented with Bootstrap to give it a responsive design. The script for the slider is embedded at the bottom to help with optimization. Then we have the gallery page, same basic structure as the main page. The script for the modal window is at the bottom. And then finally, we have the contact page. Again, basic HTML markup. We have the lovely photo, and we have our placeholder text. And you'll notice that the jQuery library is linked to instead of being imported to help with optimization. There's our footer and our contact form. So next we have the CSS. Nothing too special. Here are the hover styles I built for the nav bar. That's pretty much it. I used the Bootstrap for the media queries instead of writing them through here. And then finally, in the small little contact PHP script at the top, I have the named attributes for each of the inputs, followed by all of the variables required to send the email. And again, I'm using a jQuery plugin for all the form validation so that no one leaves anything blank. Thanks a bunch. Thanks for taking the time to look at my project. Looking back on it, I think I'd like to improve the overall design by tightening up a lot of the CSS. Professionally speaking, I would like to, as I move forward, dive a lot deeper into JavaScript, and I'd like to start to learn Objective-C. Outside of that, I think I'd really like to be able to use my background in art and design to implement more websites or build an app. So thanks again for taking the time to look at my site, and I hope to